Wave power station. Before you an aux energy conversion plant. The specificity of this unique project is that the plant itself is on the shore. From him floats are submerged in the water. Every float attached to the end, mechanical lever, which is driven by waves. That up and down move activates the pump, which creates fresh water pressure, stored in the storage. Connected to the camera, water under pressure in the form of a jet, drives the turbine, which in turn rotates the generator, which generates electricity. Liebherr MK88. Self-propelled construction crane MK88 designed this way to install the crane in the working position, realized by only one person by pressing the button. Turning part MK88 has a design with two-section, telescopic lattice boom, tower type, 4-axle chassis, equipped with proprietary regulation system, steering control, active rear axle control, and air disc brakes. Provides optimal maneuverability. MK cranes can perform up to several trips per day, as so-called taxi cranes. NASA Crawler. That crawler transporter, designed to move giant rockets. Machine load capacity is 8165T. In motion tracked conveyor is driven, 2 16-cylinder diesel engines, capacity of 2,200 horsepower each, 2 more engines, capacity of 2,750 horsepower, used to power the electrical system, and hydraulic pumps. Diesel fuel reserve is 18,930 liters. Fuel consumption is approximately 4 liters per 10 meters. On the way, the conveyor has a length of about 40 meters and develops maximum speed, 3.2 kilometers per hour. ES-3500D. Excavator of this model, able to operate at an altitude of 65 meters, which is the full world record. Equipment is designed to demolish skyscrapers and other high-rise buildings. Novelty is designed on the basis of crawler crane, carrying capacity 200 T. SC3500D equipped with a diesel engine, volume of 15 and 710 liters, and a capacity of 315 horsepower, on a 3-section boom can be attached as shock special equipment, and nozzles for sharp crushing. Dismantled structures. On the tip, arrows installed video camera for operator, who directs the process of working from the cockpit, and also bronze buoyed, spraying water so that dust does not rise. Big Bud 747. The Big Bud 747 or 16V747 Big Bud is a large, custom-made farm tractor built in Havre, Montana in 1977. It has 1,100 horsepower. It is billed by the owners and exhibitors as the world's largest farm tractor. It is about twice the size of many of the largest production tractors in the world, depending on parameter. The first 2 Big Bud tractors out of the Havre, Montana plant were the 250 series and were purchased by Leonard M. Semenza of Semenza Farms in 1968, located between Fort Benton, Montana, and Chester, Montana on his 35,000-acre farm. The 747 tractor was designed by Wilbur Hensler III and built by Ron Harmon and the employees of his Northern Manufacturing Company. XCMG Crane. This crane was made in China, and he is not inferior to the technique of Terex and Sticker. Crawler crane weighing 4,000 T, came off the assembly line February 11, 2012. It has the biggest lifting capacity in the world, and designed specifically for use in the petrochemical industry and nuclear energy. Besides, this crane is equipped with 3 different boom lift modes to easily cope with different working conditions. Mammoth Pai. This modern self-propelled modular conveyor. It is a platform, numbering 2, 4 or 8 parasites to hole 44 100 meters wide. It has a unique control system and power plant, which can be quickly dismantled if necessary. Load capacity conveyors, calculated based on the maximum load on a pair of axles, 44T for each. That is, in the case of 4 axes, we can talk about the maximum load capacity 176T. In case of 8 axles to times more 35T. Dragflow. That heavy-duty submersible pump, specially designed to work with mixtures, high viscosity, and high particulate matter. Pumps apply when pumping hydraulic mixture with high percentage of dissolved and weighted materials, as well as particulate matter up to 120 millimeters. Pumping process looks next. Under the influence of an agitator located in the area of the suction pipe, solid soil particles break off from the bottom surface, formed into a concentrated pulp, and pumped by pump. Belaz 75710. Weight of this dump truck is 810T. The machine can reach speeds of up to 64 kilometers per hour. 4-pair wheel sets set in motion. Electric motors, powered by 2 diesel generators, power of which is 4,600 horsepower. The car has 2 engine modes. At full load, both diesel generators work, and while the dump truck rides empty, second engine shuts down to save fuel. Petainer H4100H. One of the most famous and preferred loading machines in large-scale mining operations around the world is this excavator. Machine working weight is almost 2 T. This model helps many global mining enterprises increasingly as it is effective, reliable, and productive. The company specializes in the production of only the best engineering solutions. Despite the high cost of equipment, machines of this company end up carrying low operating costs. Diamond 2000. This unit features high performance and ease of operation, essentially enough to throw a branch or another piece of wood in the receiver, and you get fine shavings on the way out. Unique wood chopper can reach speed up to 75 km/h. Mechanism, cutting trees, has a replaceable blade system, wood processing and recycling, good for the environment, and economically justified wood waste find use in many industries. Sticker 934. Total excavator weight from 31,800 to 35,200 kilograms, depending on the installed equipment. To work car leads, 4-cylinder engine with a working volume of 7 liters, designed by the company. Sticker specially for this model. Engine power 203 horsepower. The operator in the cab can work sitting or standing. Provides a wide overview due to the large glazing area. There are adjustable seats in the cabin. Climate control, radio receiver on the dashboard center panel are present. Control levers with which the movement is carried out, or bucket work. Liebherr P995. This excavator has an advantage among analogs, which consist in huge reserves of power for various practical requirements. This turns out to be important, like for direct notch viscous and massive rock, and for loading blown rock. The total capacity of the bucket is 26 to 30 cubic meters. Machine length is 20 meters. Also excavator equipped, 16-cylinder engine, Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.